Jatra kale tu anavrittim avrittim chaiva yogina prayata janti tankalang bhakshyami bharatar sabha. Now Krishna explaining that, my dear Arjuna, there are different time indication of passing away from this material world. That I am explaining to you. That jatra kale to anavitti. If at some particular time I leave this body, then I may become liberated. That means no more my birth in this material world. Similarly, if I die at a particular moment, I will have to come back again in this material world. It is all chance. But for the devotee, there is no such chance. He is surely, because devotee sada tadbhava bhavita. A devotee is always in Krishna consciousness, so there is no question of chance. He does not give any chance to think otherwise. Therefore, he is guaranteed. But for others, there are some chances like that in a particular moment, if he dies, if he leaves this body, then he can enter into the spiritual kingdom. Agni Jyoti Rahas Shukla Sanamasa Uttarayanam and Tatta Prayada Gachanti Brahma Brahma Vidojana. That the sun's movement different. 6 months on the northern side and 6 months on the southern. The sun is also moving. According to Vedic calculation, in Srimad Bhagavatam, we get information that the sun is in the center of the universe and it is also moving. As all other planets are moving, the sun is also moving. The movement, I have seen, it is calculated that it is 16,000 miles per second. So when a person dies during this movement of the sun on the northern side, then he can attain liberation. Dhumaratri tatha Krishna sanamasa dakkhinayanam tatra chandramasam jyoti yogi prapya nivartate. If somebody dies at night and in cloud, and this is during the 6 months when the sun is on the southern side, then the yogi, a person who dies in that particular time, he comes back again in this material world. But one person who is bhakti yogi, who is always in Krishna consciousness, for him there is no question of such chance. It is sure. Even if he dies at the time of the southern and northern, he has nothing to concern about that chance, because we have already discussed that at the time of death, if we can think of Krishna, that at once we are transferred to the Krishna Loka, Krishna platform. So therefore Krishna advises, Tasmat sarvesu kalesu yogayukta bhava. And you always remain in Krishna consciousness. Always remain in Krishna consciousness. And that is not very difficult. If you practice this Krishna consciousness, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, then this practice will help you to be remain, because this Krishna and his spiritual kingdom is no different. Absolute.